Good evening. Yesterday, we just started parametric functions. Today, we'll work some more problems on parametric. First problem. If x is equal to cos to the power of nx, y is equal to sin to the power of nx, find dy by dx. So clear? Cos square x or cos to the power of nx should be differentiated using chain rule. Only thing is, here you are working two problems that you should realize, and the change of variables. So here I write dx by, I cannot write x here, this is theta, cos to the power of n theta, because you can't have a function like that. X is equal to cos to the power of n theta, power n theta. Y is equal to sin to the power of n theta, fine. So first find out dx by dt. So if you have got y is equal to x to the power of n, you will have dy by dx equal to nx to the power of n minus 1. So the power is n here. So this is n cos to the power of n minus 1 into theta. Now you have differentiated power. Now you need to differentiate cos theta. That is minus sin theta. I write the minus sign here. This minus sign I have written in the beginning. Now find dy by dt. Same procedure. N sin to the power of n minus 1 theta. You differentiate the power. Now differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So what is dy by dx now? And directly write this on the numerator. Every time there is no need of writing the formula. Divided by n sin to the power cos to the power of n minus 1 theta into sin theta. You can cancel n and n. If you cancel sin theta, you get n minus 2. Something like that. If you have got sin cube theta by sin theta, this will be sin square theta. What do you get that? 3 minus 1. So here n minus 1 is minus 2. Similarly, if you cancel this, you get n minus 2. The answer is going to be tan to the power of n minus 2 theta. We'll move on to the next problem. X is equal to a cos log t, y is equal to a log cos t. This is only testing your ability in chain rule. If you are good in chain rule, this problem will not create any problem for you. So I think I have given you sufficient problems on chain rule, so this should not be a problem for you. Find dx by dt. A is a constant, so leave A as it is. Cos is minus sin. Sorry, minus a sin log t. You have differentiate cos, you get minus. A is a constant. Now you should differentiate log t, that is 1 by d. Repeat, A is a constant, cos in minus side. Of differentiating cos, you should differentiate log t is 1 by d. Now let's go for dy by dt. Here also, A is a constant, So leave it as it is. Cos t is 1 over sin t. You differentiate log cos t, therefore 1 over sin t. Now this cos t you should differentiate, you get minus sin t. So you can write this as minus a tan. I repeat, a is a constant, you should differentiate log, you get 1 over x, in place of x you have got cos, 1 over cos t, then you should differentiate cos t, you get minus sin t. So what is our final answer? dy by dx is equal to, first you should write dy by dt, that is minus a tan t divided by minus a sin log t, and this t will come to numerator. This t shifted numerator. So you can cancel minus a and minus a. Your final answer is t tan t divided by sin log. So you should realize here we are revising chain rule. Except that you have an additional variable t or theta, but basic thing is chain rule. That's what I was telling you. Chain rule is the most important part. If you thorough with chain rule, you will not have any problem. The next part also, when we go for successive also, same thing. We will be differentiating one more time. Realizing whether it requires chain rule or not is the first thing. If it's a direct problem, you can do it. If it's chain rule, most of the problems are like chain rule only, because they don't give a simple problem like that. So, if you have got difficulty, again revise chain rule. Let's go to the next problem. X is equal to e to the power of t into sin t. Y is equal to e to the power of minus t into cos t. This is not a chain rule problem, but it's a problem of product rule. Or I call them as excuse me rule. Very simple, you have got to follow the procedure. What's the procedure? Instead of the here, because x is there and t is there, write dx by dt. Excuse me for sin t. Differentiate e to the power of t. It is e to the power of t only. Plus, excuse me for e to the power of t. Differentiate sin t, you get cos t. To simplify this, you get e to the power of t into sin t plus cos t. I repeat, you should realize the product rule. So, excuse me for sin t, differentiate e power t. Excuse me for e to the power of t, differentiate cos t. The common mistake students will do is they forget the product rule. They differentiate e to the power of t is e to the power of t, sin t is cos t. This is what the common mistake happens. So don't be in a hurry to work the problem. Always study the problem properly. What is the problem given? So it's a product, therefore we have got this product. Now what is dy by dt? Excuse me for cos t. The differentiation of e to the power of minus t. Should recall, if y is equal to e to the power of ax, then dy by dx is equal to a e to the power of ax. This formula we have listed. But what is here in place of a, you have got minus. So what is the answer? Minus e to the power of minus t. Now keep e to the power of minus t as it is. Differentiate cos t, you get minus sin t. So what you can do is, you can take minus e to the power of minus t common. Here also minus sign is there. Here also minus sign is there. This is going to be cos t plus sin t. I repeat, I have taken minus e to the power of minus t common. Now we have to write the final answer. What is that? We have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, numerator should be dy by dt. That is minus e to the power of minus t into cos t plus sin t. What is denominator? E to the power of t into sin t plus cos t. These two are same, you can cancel that. Your final answer is minus e to the power of minus 2t. What's the formula? E to the power of m into e to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. Minus t minus t minus t. So you should realize we are working a problem of product rule. If finally any problem given, we are running around either product rule, or quotient rule, or chain rule, or all of them in combination. Let's go to the next problem. X is equal to a into t plus 1 by t. Y is equal to a into t minus 1 by t. Find dy by dx. So dx by dt. It is not a product rule because a is a constant. So keep a as it is. Differentiation of t is 1. And what is the differentiation of 1 by t? So 1 by t should be written as t to the power of minus 1. So what is the differentiation of a to the power x to the power of minus n? N x to the power of n minus 1. That is minus 1 by t square. So this is minus 1 by t square. What is dy by dt? Again, it is not a product rule because a is a constant. Keep a as it is. T is 1. The same thing you are differentiating, only difference is there is a minus sign. Therefore, answer will have plus sign. Let us simplify this. T square is LCM. So you get t square minus 1. Here also dy by dt will be t square is LCM, t square plus 1. So when you divide this dy by dx, now a will cancel, t square will cancel. You get t square minus 1 by t square plus 1. I have written it directly. So this t square denominator will cancel. A also will cancel. We get this answer. Let's go to the next problem. X is equal to, I've taken some difficult in the sense the problems is require little more time. Whatever we work now, they are all most direct and simple. This takes a little more time, but procedure is same. Either chain rule or quotient rule or product rule we are going to use. Y is equal to 3a t square. This problem carries 4 marks in the examination. So here they have given, prove that also. 2t minus 2t minus t to the power of 4 divided by 1 minus 2t cube. This is the answer. So look at the problem. This is also quotient, that's also quotient. You must realize you are working 2 problems of quotient. First one is you are finding dx by dt. Quotient rule, what is that? Keep denominator as it is. Differentiate numerator. 3a is a constant, t is 1. Minus, keep numerator as it is. Differentiate denominator. You get 3t square. Now, divide by 1 plus t cube whole square. I'll just repeat what we have done. We have to recall this formula. If y is equal to u by v, dy by dx is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. It's the most important thing. So I keep v means denominator are kept as it is. Differentiate numerator. 3a is a constant. T with respect to t is 1. Just as x with respect to x is 1. T differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Now I have to put a minus sign. To keep numerator as it is, I have kept numerator as it is 3ab. Differentiation 1 is 0. T cubes 3t square. Same procedure you have to follow. So let us simplify this. Always one should differentiate, simplify and keep that because we want a final answer. You can take 3a common here. 3a is here also. 3a is here also. I take out 3a common. I get 1 plus t cube. 1 plus t cube. Now I take out 3a common. T is outside. Therefore you get minus 3t cube. I have taken 3a common. Therefore 1 is here. Because I have taken 3a common, t is there. To multiply t inside, 3t cube divided by 1 plus t cube, 1 plus t cube whole square. So always do this. Differentiate, simplify and keep the answer. Whenever they ask, do that. Now, follow same procedure for the second one also. Again a quotient, same procedure. Keep the denominator. Differentiate numerator. It is 680. Why 680? 3 is a constant. T square is 2t. Therefore 680. Minus, keep the numerator as it is. 3t square. Now differentiate denominator. 1 is 0. This is 3t square divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Here also t is also common, but I will not take t common because there is only 3a. Here also I will keep 3a outside as a common factor. Now when I take 3a outside, you have got 2t. So therefore this is 2t plus 2t to the power of 4. I repeat, from 6a t I have taken 3a common. So I am left with 2t. 2t into 1, 2t. 2t into t cube is 2t to the power 4. Here I have taken 3a common, t square is left over. So this is minus 3 t to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. This also you could have simplified further. This is 3a into 1 minus 2t cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. This also you can simplify. 3a into 2t minus t to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. See, what I did was I have left it here. We completed this simplification part. Now we need dy by dx. Here only you can see, divide 3a and 3a will cancel. This 3a and 3a will cancel. The denominator also gets cancelled. So numerator is 2t minus t to the power of 4 by 1 minus 2t cube. So I have to divide this by that. That means it has to be numerator. These two will cancel. 3a will cancel. So numerator is 2t minus t to the power of 4. So this problem carries 4 marks. What is the basic requirement for this to work this problem? You should know you have got to use quotient rule. Then you have got to use the proper tools. Rule and tool I am always talking about. Let's go to the next problem. If x is equal to theta sine 2 theta, y is equal to theta cos 2 theta. Prove that at theta is equal to pi by 2. Prove that at theta is equal to pi by 2. dy by dx is equal to minus pi by 2. So theta is pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. dy by dx is minus pi by 2. Again, a problem of simplification. So let us differentiate first. I got dx by dt. Having worked so many problems, I think it's very clear to you. It's a product. We need to use the product rule. So I keep sine 2 theta and differentiation of theta is 1. Derivative of x is 1 with respect to x. Here we are differentiating theta with respect to theta, therefore it is 1. Plus, because product rule. Keep theta as it is. Differentiate sine 2 theta. It is 2 sine 2. Sorry, 2 cos 2 theta. Differentiation of sine is cos. At theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. What is dx by dt? This is sine pi by 2 plus pi by 2 into 2 cos pi by 2. The answer is equal to 1. Why it is 1? Because cos 90 is 0. This entire term will be 0. And sin pi by 2 is 1. Now find out dy by dt. I would always suggest a student that after you complete differentiation, first part dx by dt, put the value, keep the answer ready. Then similarly work for dy by dt, put the value theta equals pi by 4. Then the final answer is going to be easy. There is no need of just writing it and simplifying and then put the value. This is a better method. So here again product rule. Cos 2 theta into 1 because theta derivative is 1 plus keep theta as it is. This is minus 2 sin 2 theta. At theta is equal to pi by 4. What is dy by dt? It is cos pi by 2 plus theta is pi by 4 into minus 2 sin pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, but 2 and 4 you can cancel. This is minus pi by 2. So you can very easily write dy by dx is equal to minus pi by 2. That is dy by d theta and dx by d theta is 1. Therefore answer is minus. So what is the basic requirement? The problem is given. You should realize it's a problem of product rule, which I normally call it exclusive rule. What's the procedure? Keep one of them, differentiate the next one, and change the positions. Let's move on to the next problem. Now, working at least about 10 problems of paramatric function, so that you get some idea about it. And if you want to get little more confidence, work some more problems on a textbook. if x is equal to 3 cos t, 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Y is equal to 3 sin t. See, whatever the functions given, if you have the rule and the tool proper usage, you can get a solution. Minus 2 sin cube t. Looking at the problem, you can realize it looks like addition rule problem, but when it comes to cos cube t, you got to use chain rule. It's a parametric function. Looking at this, because they are separated by minus sign, it's addition rule. But when you have to differentiate second term, it's a chain rule problem. So let us follow the procedure. dx by dt. Differentiate cos t, you get minus sign. So minus of, they have given prove that also. Prove that dy by dx equals a very neat answer cot t. That means everything will get cancelled. So cos t is minus sin t minus 2 is a constant. Cos cube, first you should differentiate power 3 cos square t, and difference of cos t is minus sin t. Therefore, it is plus 6 cos square t into sin. I repeat, 2 is a constant, so differentiate power u cube is 3u square, that is 3 cos square t. Then if you differentiate cos square t, you get minus sin t, and minus and the minus becomes plus. What is that you can take common? You can take 3 sin t common. This is minus 1 plus 2 cos square t. This is 3 sin t cos 2. You need to remember, yesterday I have written the formula. Cos 2t is equal to cos square t minus sin square t. 1 minus 2 sin square t and 2 cos square t minus. If you are familiar with formulas, absolutely no problem. So that answer is ready. Now let us differentiate y. dy by dt. Sin t is cos t. 3 is a constant. And same procedure. 3 sin square t and difference of sin t is cos t. So minus sign will remain here. Is 6 sin square t into cos t. Same as this, you will get a plus sign because cos t difference is in minus, whereas sin t is plus. So what is it you can take common? I will take 3 cos t common. I get 1 minus 2 sin square t. That is nothing but cos 2t. So 3 cos t into cos 2. You need to be good in trigonometry. For those students who are not that good and have some problem with the trigonometry formulas, you can just write this. At least this you can write. This you can write. Divide. You may not be able to arrive at the answer. At least you can divide. dy by dt is equal to dy by dt divide. At least you get about 2 to 3 marks depending on which part is correct. Okay. Now, what is dy by dx? So this is 3 cos t cos 2t divided by 3 sin t cos 2t. 3 will cancel, cos 2t will cancel. You get the answer. When you look at the problem, it looks difficult. If you follow the procedure properly, you get a solution. But one difficulty with this problem is this needs the knowledge of trigonometry problem. Repeat, in case if you are not able to recognize this cos 2t, then at least you can write this and write this. And you may not be able to arrive at cot t, just leave it like that. It's an advantage in mathematics. You get a proportionate mark depending on, and those who are aiming for 80 out of 80, have to be careful. These are the areas you lose marks. You have to be careful to remember the trigonometric formulas. One advantage is you will not get any problem which is not there in your NCERT textbook, that has been assured. So this problem you can always remember. Let's go to the next problem. If x is equal to 3 sin 2 theta, 3 sin 2 theta plus 2 sin 3 theta. Y is equal to 2 cos 3 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta. See, mathematics is like music. See the symmetry of the problems. Here you have got 3 and 2, there also 3 and 2. So you must appreciate the people who have constructed this problem. So systematic, you find some symmetry about the expressions. Now, you have to find dx by d theta and find dy by d theta and divide. This is the procedure. Next, you should look at the problem. There is a plus sign in between. You have got to use the product rule, sorry, addition rule. Now, do we need product? Definitely not, because this is 3 is a constant, 2 is a constant. So it's just a simple problem of addition rule. So let us work. Prove that also is given here. Whenever they give prove that, you need a thorough knowledge of trigonometry. dy by dx equals tan theta by 2. Half angle formula also you need to remember. Now, dx by d theta is 6 cos 2 theta plus 6 cos 3 theta. Because sin 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta, 3 into 2 is 6. Sin 3 theta is 3 cos 3 theta, that is 6. Let us take 6 common. I will write a bigger one first. Cos 3 theta for symmetric purpose. Let us simplify this. You need to remember the formula cos C plus cos D. This 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D. Now I will write all the 4 formulas here and give you a method how to remember them, because you may require the other formulas later. What are the 4 formulas? First one is sin C plus sin D. Next one is sin C minus sin D. Here we may not require all the formulas, but I am just giving the formulas. It may be helpful to you some other time. Then cos C plus cos D. Then sin C, I'm sorry, cos C minus cos D. These 4 formulas. First step you can remember this is 2, this is also 2, this is also 2, and this is minus 2. Remember, it's a cosine function which always creates problems in trigonometry. Derivative of cos is minus sin. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta or 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta over. But cos 2 theta is not like that. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus. So many formulas are there. Cosine function is very dangerous. So you have to be very cautious. This has got a minus a. All the three have got plus sign. Then it is c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. I'm just teaching the way how you can remember this. C minus d by 2. I told you. So symmetric. Now for sign, when there is a plus sign, first sign, then cos. For sign, when there is a plus sign, first sign, then cos. When there is a minus sign, first cos, then sin. Repeat, for sin, it is separated by plus sign, first sign, then cos. Minus sign is there, first cos, then sin. For cos, when plus sign is there, both are cos. When minus sign is there, both are sin. Repeat, for cos, when plus sign is there, both are cos. When minus sign is there, both are sin. So copy this formula and keep it with you so that you may require this formula. Little later, I will not be again writing the formula. I will just recall the formula and then proceed. Now we have to use cos c plus cos d here. Because there is a plus sign, so both are cos. So this becomes 12 cos c plus d divided by 2 cos c minus d divided by 2. C is 3 theta, D is 2 theta. Cos C plus D divided by 2. Why both are cos? Because it is a plus sign. This is equal to 12 cos 5 theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. We have completed dx by dt. Let's go for dy by dt. Again, addition rule. Minus 6 sin 3 theta because cos is negative plus 6 sin 2 theta. Why? Differentiation of cos 2 theta is minus 2, that will make a plus. Here I take minus 6 common because I want the bigger number to be the beginning. Sin 2 theta. I must use sin c minus sin d. When there is a plus sign, first cos, then sin. Therefore, it is minus 12 cos 3 theta plus 2 theta divided by 2. First cos, then sin. That will give you 12 cos 5 theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. Now you should find dy by dx. You should write this first. 12 minus 12 plus only. 12 it's minus because the minus sign is here. So you get a minus sign here, minus sign here. There's a minus sign that I should carry. Minus 12. So answer should also be minus there. Let us see that later. I think the answer also minus. Cos 5 theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. Denominator is plus 12 cos 5 theta by 2 into cos theta. 12 and 12 cancel, these two will cancel. You get this answer. So let's go further. The next problem is if x is equal to a into t minus sin t, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos t. Prove that dy by dx equals minus 1 at theta equals pi by 2. Again, a problem on addition rule only. So dx by dt. A is a constant, 1 minus cos t. At theta is equal to pi by 2. Dx by dt is equal to a into 1 minus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, it is just a. Now, dy by dt is equal to a is a constant, 1 is 0, cos t is minus sin t. That is minus a sin t. At theta is equal to pi by 2, dy by dt is equal to minus a sin pi by 2. Here cos n t is 0, whereas here sin n t is 1. Therefore, it is minus a. So, what is dy by dx? Minus a divided by plus a. That's equal to answer. Very, very simple problem. Sometimes they will not give this, they will ask you to simplify and they would have given some other answer where you need to use trigonometric formula and do this solution. Let's go to the next problem. X is equal to, if x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. You see the problem. Cos theta, theta sin theta. Sin theta minus theta cos theta. Prove that a very neat answer. Dy by dx is equal to tan theta. When you work the problem, you should enjoy the beauty of the problem. How systematic it is. How symmetric it is. See, cos theta, theta sin theta. Sin theta minus theta cos theta. You must appreciate the people who have considered the problem. Because I have borrowed from the book, not my work. My job is copying the problem and working it. A is a constant. Cos theta is minus sin theta. Plus, you have to be careful. It's a product. So, in a hurry, what students will do is theta is 1 and sin theta is 2. No. The moment you see a product, that's why while working differentiation problem, you have to be little more careful. Go slow. Oh, I differentiate cos theta, I got minus sin theta. But this is the product. So, excuse me for sin theta, differential of theta is 1. Excuse me for theta, sin theta is cos theta. Repeat, cos theta is minus theta, no problem. This is a product. Keep sin theta, differentiate theta, keep theta, differentiate cos theta. See, if you notice these two, you can cancel. You get a theta cos theta. Let us differentiate dy by dx. Dy by dt. A is a constant again. Sin theta is cos theta. There's a minus sign, be careful. So we'll use one bracket because there's a minus sign. Theta, again it's a product. So keep cos theta, differentiate theta, you get 1. Keep theta, differentiate cos theta, you get minus sin theta. Why I have used a bracket is whenever minus sign is there, I always make a comment, use a element. Element is bracket. Otherwise, sometimes multiplication of minus sign, we get confused and unnecessarily use mark. Because I've seen in the examination, some of the students have got 90, 99, 90, 98, etc. They will ask marks in such simple things. Overconfidence. And please remember, I got 3 hours time to answer the paper. Any good student can complete 3 hours in 180 minutes. Even if you work leisurely, can complete around 120 to 140 minutes. When I take up a model paper, the last day, I'll tell you how the time is, how much time is required for each problem. Maximum 140 minutes. A good student can complete the problem. After completing the paper, remaining 40 minutes, you answer all the extra questions. For a student aiming for 100, my suggestion is, so normally in a question paper they'll give answer any 3. They would have given 5. Please don't write, but in our mind we should think, choose any 3. That means you answer all the 5 questions and ask the examiner choose any 3. If you can't do that, you will lose 100 marks. So you should complete the paper. It is possible also in 180 minutes. The entire paper can be completed. Okay, let's complete this, continue this. Cos theta is as it is. This is minus cos theta. This is minus into minus theta sin theta. This cos theta and cos theta will cancel. Then you get a theta sin theta. So what is the final answer? dy by dx is equal to, numerator is this, a theta sin theta divided by a theta cos theta. A theta and a theta cancels. Let's go to the next problem. If you start getting a feeling, I am repeating the problems, I am not working any special problems. Whatever concept that we have done up to chain rule, same thing is being repeated. That means you are following. If you look at all these problems, a different problem, that means you are not following with the basic concept. This must be the feeling. Once chain rule is over, differentiation is almost over. It is something like that. When you learn scooter riding, then you can take scooter anywhere. And riding a scooter on a highway is different from riding a scooter in your own area. But driving pattern is same, but you have to follow certain rules. So once you know differentiation, basics strong. Chain rule, quotient rule, product rule, addition rule, how to use them. It's just an extension of that. I always tell the students, once the chain rule, you are thorough, differentiation all over, 90% over. Only thing is, I know scooter riding, I am taking the scooter to different places. If I have to ride a scooter in Chickpet or Avenue Road, that is totally different in riding on a highway. So, Chickpet driving, somebody is a good rider, even then you'll find difficulty in riding checkpoint. Something like that. But once you are a good rider, you can take the scooter anywhere. You cannot say, I'm very comfortable in my area. If I cross my area, I can't go to the main road. That means you are not allowing it. Same thing happens in calculus also. Up to chain rule, you have to spend more time. Get a feeling, oh, this much only. See, like, whatever problem that I work today, only the thing is we never use theta or t in the basic concept here. The changes are only that. But the procedure, everything is same. Let's go to the next problem. This is a problem asked in the examination also, which carries 4 marks again. More of trigonometry than differentiation. A is equal to cos t plus log tan t by 2. Y is equal to very simple A sin. Second differentiation is most direct. dy by dt is A cos t. And tell the student, supposing you are not able to differentiate properly, that you can do it to get 1 mark for that. So will they give 1 mark for this? Definitely. Especially for the paper which is in the border case. We'll search where we can allot in marks. That is not possible because some people give a blank paper and come. Very dangerous. So don't come out of the examination hall even if you don't know anything about the paper. Try it. Maybe when you are looking at the problem, you can recall what your teacher has taught you, what you have revised. And getting about 20 marks out of 80 marks is not at all difficult. If you have done some work, even if you start working, as I told you, from 31st January till the class is over, 20 marks is not a problem at all. So let's continue this. Dx by dt. A is a constant. Cos t directly you can write minus sin. Here, you should realize it is a chain rule problem. And even some of the students who are very good in mathematics also have last marks here, really where. So it is 1 over tan t by 2. That means you have differentiated log. Then you should differentiate tan. Secant square t by 2. Many students stop here. You should know it is not tan t, it is tan t by 2. Therefore, if you differentiate t by 2 also, you get half. I am talking to the students who are in the range of 80 plus, 70 plus. These are the areas where students have last marks in earlier mark. Because they differentiate log 1 over tan, they differentiate tan secant square t by 2. If it is log t, then it's okay. But it is not t, it is t by 2. That's why I tell the student, even if they are given it as tan t, differentiate t, you get 1. That confusion is not there. Complete differentiation like that. So if log tan t is given, tan is tan t, t is 1. Similarly, t by 2 is given, right? This part, most of the students can do it. And this also you can write easily. dy by dt a cos. See, if you write this part, sometimes you get 1.5 marks also. Here the problem, actual problem starts. You need to simplify this. Minus sin t, you write as it is. Plus, you write sin t by 2 as, tan t by 2 as sin by cos. Then cos will go to numerator. Cos t by 2. Bring these two here. Sin t by 2. Bring the secant square t down. Cos square t by 2. This simplification you have to be careful. Especially the students who are 70 plus. These are the areas where students have lost marks in last 100. Okay. Now, repeat I am writing tan as sine by cos, cos will go to numerator. I am bringing these two here. Now I am writing secant, I am pushing the secant square t to denominator. Now I can cancel 1 cos t by 2. So what do I get? A into minus sine t plus 1 over sine t. Because remember the formula, sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Sine a is 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. That's why I say getting up to 60 out of 80 is not that difficult. From 60 to 80, there are areas, this is one of them. Getting 60 out of 80 is not at all difficult. An average student working some 5 or 6 papers and attending classes can easily get 60 out of 80. The paper is always designed like that. The entire paper should not be easy also. Then deciding merit becomes a problem. So you have to simplify this by taking LCM. LCM is sine t. So this is minus sine square t plus 1. What is 1 minus sine square t? Cos square t. A cos square t by sine. The problem we have to complete, we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dt is here. That is a cos t. A cos square t, the sin t will come to numerator. So a you can cancel, 1 cos you can cancel, get the answer. I'll just repeat this because this is a very, very important problem. They've asked in the examination also. Most of students either left the problem, very few students will get complete marks. Even if a student is not that good, until you can get 1 or 2 marks easily. This one you can write easily, no problem. You know how to differentiate cos t. In log, even if you are not written half, at least some part of differentiation is correct, you get marks, proportionate marks are allotted. So I've just given you overall idea of parametric functions. So today we'll introduce successive differentiation and whatever problems we can solve in half an hour that is left, let us solve it. Maybe tomorrow we'll be completing the revision part. Then I go for the question papers. I'm telling you how I am going to go with the paper so that you are also ready with it. We have got papers from 2014 to 2020. So all these papers we are going to discuss. I just go like this 1 mark question of all the papers I complete. Just to show you in what way the problem is different in every year. Then I go for 2 marks. Then I go for 3 marks. Then 4 marks and 5 marks. So most probably tomorrow we must be able to conclude the revision part. Unless there is any query from the students asking me. Okay, we'll move on to success. No message. I just saw whether there's any message. Somebody has sent a message and again remove it. Okay. Successive differentiation. Consider the function y is equal to f of x. I call this equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 I think the spelling is wrong here. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to f dash x. I call this the equation 2. Now differentiating equation 2 with respect to x is not written, with respect to x. With respect to x, we have d square y by dx square is equal to f double dash x. Now again differentiating equation 3 with respect to x, we have d cube x by dx cube is equal to f double dash x. Let us call the equation. The process may be continued. So how many times you can differentiate a function depends on the function. But because we are in second PUC, we are going to stop at the second derivative. I'll just give an example. If I want y is equal to x to the power of 3, and differentiate first time, I get 3x squared. And differentiate second time, I get 6x. And differentiate third time, I get 6. And differentiate fourth time, I get 0. I stop. What is differentiation is? Differentiating a differentiated function. When I differentiate, I got 3x squared. Derivative. Differentiate derivative, you get 6x. Differentiate it further. So here, this function has got 4 derivatives. The power is 3. The number of derivatives is 3 plus 1. So if the power is n, you can differentiate n plus 1 times. You are going to study that in engineering colleges where you have nth find nth derivative and all that. But here we are stopping at second derivative. Another example. If I take y is equal to sin x, let me differentiate first time. I get cos x. Once again, I get minus sin x. Once again, I get minus cos x. The process continues. It won't stop. So every function can be differentiated any number of times. We cannot say that. It depends on the function. If it is an algebraic function of degree n, it has got n plus 1 derivatives. If it is a trigonometric function, the process continues. But we here in second PUC, we are stopping at the second. Note here dy by dx, comma d square y by dx square, comma d cube y by dx cube, etc. or called the first, comma second, comma third, etc. derivatives. And they are also denoted by y1 or y dash, y2 or y double dash, y3 or y triple dash. These are different notations. When we say find y1 or find y dash. So of course y3 will not be there in the examination. These two notations you need to do. First, second, etc. derivatives. Out of syllabus for commerce students. Anyway, I am concentrating on the science students, but some of the concepts even the commerce students can also get learned. My concentration is on science students. Okay, let's work some problems today. Y is equal to 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 5. Find d square y by dx square. I'm starting with a very simple problem. dy by dx equals 12x square plus 12x plus 7. On first differentiation, we get this. Second differentiation, 24x plus 12. Stop here. Supposing now what y is equal to x square sine 4x. This will be asked in the examination for 2 marks. The first differentiation, see, no very different. The moment you see a product, use a product rule. So this is a product. So what do we do? We keep sine 4x as it is. Differentiate this. I get 2x. I keep x square as it is. Differentiate sine 4x. 4 cos 4x. So before we go for second differentiation, put it in proper order. 2x sine 4x plus 4x square. That's very important. After completing the first differentiation, write the equation properly so that you can differentiate second one systematically. Again, product rule. Sine 4x into 2 because 2x is 1. Keep 2x as it is. Sine 4x is 4 cos 4x. This is complete only differentiate first term. The second term also we need to differentiate. And second product rule. Keep cos 4x as it is. It is 8x because x square is 2. Keep 4x square as it is. Cos 4x is minus sine minus 4 sine 4x. You need not simplify, leave it like that. I have just given you examples. I just take one more example. If y is equal to sine inverse x, find d square y by dx. dy by dx is equal to 1 over root of 1 minus x square. Now, when you have to go for second differentiation, you should write this as 1 minus x square to the power of minus half. So, you need to use chain rule for this. So, d square y by dx square is equal to, so remember, when y is equal to x to the power of n, dy by dx is n x to the power of n minus 1. Not only that, it's a problem of chain rule because 1 minus x square is there. So it is minus, n is minus half 1 minus x square to the power of minus half minus 1 into differentiation of 1 is 0, x square is minus 2x. That is some simplification at least. 2 and 2 will cancel, minus and minus is plus x into 1 minus x square to the power of minus 3. I just taken this example to tell you, when you go for second differentiation, the problem may require chain rule also. It depends on the problem. So, the moment you get this, oh, you should realize this is a problem of chain rule. So, wherever you find it runs around quotient rule, chain rule, product rule, addition rule. Okay. Let me go for standard problems which are asked in the examination. The first problem. If y is equal to a e to the power of mx plus b e to the power of minus mx. These are all standard problems. Prove that d square y by dx square is equal to m square. So first derivative is dy by dx. It's an additional problem. A is a constant, e to the power of ax is a e to the power of ax. Therefore, this is a m e to the power of mx. I repeat, it is not a product rule because a is a constant. E power ax, we call e power ax, a e power x instead of a about m plus, but I will get a minus sign. Why? Because there is a minus sign. So this is b m e to the power of minus mx. I wrote the minus in advance because I know that when I differentiate it is power of minus mx, I get a minus sign. Now I should go for one more differentiation. E square y by dx square. Now here am is a constant. Am is a constant. Keep it as it is. Differentiate e power mx. You get one more in. So this is am square e power mx. Repeat. Keep am as a constant. E power mx is m e power mx. So it becomes am square. Here we get minus. Therefore you can write bm square e power minus mx. Keep bm as it is. E power minus mx is minus m, so it becomes plus. Now what you can do is you can take m square common in the two terms. You get a e power mx plus b e power minus mx. What is this? That's a given problem. So this is equal to m square. This problem carries 2 marks, and this is a standard problem. Let's go to the next problem. If y is equal to a cos mx, almost similar problem. A cos mx plus b sin mx. Prove that d square y by dx square plus m square y is equal to 0. So, what is the first step? A is a constant. Cos mx is minus m sin mx. Therefore, minus am sin mx. Here b is a constant. Sin mx is m cos mx. So, bm cos mx. Now, I should go for second differentiation. Minus am is a constant. Sin mx is m cos mx. Therefore, this is minus am square cos mx. Bm is a constant. Cos mx is minus sign, you get minus bm square sin mx. You can take out minus sin m square common. You get a cos mx plus b sin mx, which is nothing but minus m square y. So if you shift this minus m square to left hand side, you get the result. Okay, let's go to the next problem. If y is equal to five cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now I have chosen this problem. You should realize these two problems are not different. So in this problem, a is 5, b is minus 3. And what is m? M is 1. So when you work this problem, that problem should be simpler. So let us find dy by dx. It is minus 5 sin x. Compared to that, it's a very simple one because cos x is minus sin x. And this is minus 3 cos x. 3 is a constant. Let's go for next one. D square y by dx square. It is minus 5 cos x. Minus sign remains because sin x is plus cos x. And here minus sign becomes plus because cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Therefore, it is plus 3 sin x. You take minus sign common. You get 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. That is nothing but minus y. So bring the y to left hand side, we get the answer. I'll take another problem. Y is equal to x sin x. X sin x. Prove that x square y2 minus 2x y1 plus x square plus 2 into y is equal to 3. Y is equal to x sin x. Prove that x square y2 minus 2x y1 plus x square plus y into y is equal to 0. So here They have used y1 and y2. Y1 means first derivative. It's a product rule. So I get sin x plus x cos x. I keep sin x as it x is 1. I keep x as it is, I get cos x. What is y2? Sin x becomes cos x. I keep cos x as it is, differentiate x, I get cos x. I keep as x as it is, differentiate cos x, I get minus sin x. So let me simplify this. This is 2 cos x minus x. I repeat, here I use the product rule. I kept sin x as it is. X is 1, I have not written it. Because 1 there is no need of writing it. X keep as it is, sin x is cos x. Now, this sin x differentiation is cos x. This again a product rule. I keep cos x as it is, x is 1. I keep x as it is, cos x is minus sin x. These two cos x are combined. Now what you should do is, you must prove something. So that I'm going to teach you how to make this problem look easy. Now what is that I have given? X square. You find out x square y. This is y2 multiplied by x square. So what will happen? 2x square cos x minus x cubed sin x. I repeat, I want y2, they want x square y2, and multiply y2 by x square. I get 2x square cos x minus x cubed sin x. Now they have got minus 2x y1 minus 2x y1. That means you should multiply y1 by minus 2x. When I multiply this, I get minus 2x sin x. That term is not there. Therefore, I will write it separately. This you should learn. I love one or two problems of this type. Beginning maybe require some time to understand. Once you know how to write it. Why should I write that? Because that term is different than these two terms. Now I have to multiply this by minus 2x. So it becomes minus 2x cos minus 2x square cos x. I can write here because identical terms. I repeat, I am multiplying y1 by minus 2x. So minus 2x sin x I am writing separately. When I multiply x cos x, I get minus 2x cos x I am writing. Now the next term is x plus 2 into y1. X plus 2 into y. Y is x sin x. I must multiply by x square. So when I multiply x sin x by x square, I get x cube cos x, that is positive, I should write here. When I multiply by 2, I get 2x sin x. I repeat, I have to multiply y by x square. When I multiply this, I get x cube cos x, I am writing it here. When I multiply by 2, I get 2x sin x. Now what you should do is add left hand side and right hand side. You get the required answer. Left hand side is x square y2 minus 2x y1 plus x square plus 2 into y. So we add left hand side. Right hand side, these two will cancel, these two will cancel, these two will cancel. Let's see. I'll just work one more problem of this type today, then stop, so that you get an idea how to solve these types of problems. Just one more at the same time, with a slight change. So I may take 5 minutes extra, but I want to complete that so that you get some continuity in this. If y is equal to x square cos x, here it was x sin x, then x square cos x, prove that x square y2 minus 4xy1 plus x square plus 6 into y equals 0. Same procedure, find y1. This is 2x cos x minus x square sin x. We are using product rule. Find y2. This is 2 cos x minus 2x sin x minus 2x sin x minus x square cos x. Let me repeat. 2 is a constant. Cos x, you keep as it is, x is 1, therefore 2 cos x. Now keep 2x constant and differentiate cos x, you get 2x as it is and differentiate cos x, you get minus sin x. Now keep sin x as it is, differentiate x square, you get 2x sin x. And keep x square as it is, differentiate sin x, you get cos x. Can we simplify? Definitely we can simplify this. This is 2x cos x minus 4x sin x minus x square cos x. Now let us list what is asked. X square y. That means I should multiply this by x square. What do I get? 2x square cos x I get minus 4x cube sin x I get minus x to the power of 4 cos x. I am just multiplying y2 by x square. That is minus 4x y1. I must multiply y1 by 4x. When I multiply y1 by 4x, I get 8x square cos x. So I write below this. 2x into 4x is 8x square. Minus 4x into, so you get 4x cube sin x. Right below this. So the next term is x square plus 6 into y. So you must multiply y by x square. You get x to the power of 4 cos x. And you should multiply by 6. This minus is here because minus 4x is there. This is 6x square cos x. So add the left hand side and the right hand side. X square y2 minus 4x y1 plus x square plus 6 into y is equal to 0 because these three will cancel. With that, shall I close today's class and closing. Tomorrow, I'll be working some more problems recursive differentiation. And I might start tomorrow itself solving 1 mark questions of the calculus part. Thank you. Good night.